Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got some Tonkotsu from Nissin Foods. It says product of China. It's made in Hong Kong. And this is a straight noodle variety. You'll see what I mean momentarily. And, yeah. Powder. Liquid. And noodle. Alright, turn it down just a little. I've found if you have too fast of a boil with these, they suck up too much water and you end up with like way not what you're looking for. There we go. And so, here's my birthday. And for this one, I don't have any regular chashu, so I'm using the barbecue pork that comes with the mustard. And I mentioned a couple episodes ago how when I was young, I used to watch my dad eat the hot Chinese mustard and barbecue pork, and it was like a big deal. And so I thought I would have a slice of barbecue pork that I'm going to use for this review and some of the Chinese hot mustard, just because. And that's just what I'm going to do today on my birthday. So the first thing I did today for my birthday is walk down to Seattle. See? Hot mustard. And, yeah, from here in Kenmore, you can walk down to take the Burt Gilman Trail and walk down to the sign that says "Welcome to Seattle." So I did that and turned around and came back. But yeah, hot Chinese mustard. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah, this stuff used to blow my head off. It really doesn't anymore. Mmm. Yep. Mmm. Yeah, I used to think that was... there was the mustard, there was the sesame seeds, and then there was the Chinese sauce, which is ketchup. It's a good combo. It's a really, really aptly... It works. I mean, it's not like you're putting maple syrup in it or something weird, but... Yeah, it's like, I've thought, you know, it's like... I should get like a red t-shirt that has that on it. I'm surprised they're not everywhere. You'd kind of think with like the popularity of t-shirts with like the Sriracha logo that there's no Chinese hot mustard t-shirts. It seems like that would be a popular thing, but I guess not. Oh yeah. Yeah, I did the first one today, and that came out good, and it was good. And now I'm doing this one. That one kind of still sucked up a lot of the liquid, like more than I would have. Oh, that's right. I got to do the... They want you to do the powder, then they want you to do the liquid. So I'm going to do what they told me to do. There's the powder. So do the powder. Stir it up. I thought this was a spicy one, and I don't think it is. It's Tonkotsu. We'll see how it goes. The last time I had one of these varieties, was a while back. Let's add this in there. That last time I had any of this variety range was when it was sent from Hong Kong in 2017. Okay, let's give this a try. Give it a stir. I feel kind of jacked up. I had another caffeine beverage today. And just feel like zing, 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 zing. It's nice outside. I'm ready to go run around. Nice looking noodle. The broth. That's freaking good. Wow. Okay. So what I wanted to know is the noodle to soup ratio gonna not work for the glamour shot of this ramen? So we'll find out right quick. And the answer to that is, oh no. So we're gonna get rid of a bunch of the noodle because I want this to glorify the broth as well. Let's try that. Give it the comb over. So there's our comb over. We need an egg. Blade. Here is our egg, which I hope I transversely sliced at the right bias point. Okay, there's that. We need some pork. Like I said, I don't have any chashu, so I'm going to use this pork. Swirl like that. Okay. And then I've got, where is it? Where are you? Use a little shichimi. I got this stuff. This is gonna go right. Whoop. That's a decent amount of that. All right. And there we go, ladies. And come on, work with me here. There we go. Cool, well thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see I'm pretty excited about. I found this one at S-Mart too. I think I found all three that I'm doing today at S-Mart. This is Miso Dop with their Singapore Spicy Laksa, and yeah, good one to end on for my doings today. So that'll be the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. That's been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye-bye. Bye-bye.